Hello everybody. Okay, first and foremost, please forgive me for my hair, but I'm having a bad hair day, and just so happens that with the combination of this humidity and me not being able to use my hair straightener since my outlet went out, I couldn't use my hair straightener, so my hair is like a total wreck today, and it's horrible. I am doing a food review today on Mavericks Firewater Grill in Greendale, Indiana. They're boneless wings. Now, I know some people say that boneless wings isn't really considered buffalo wings because they say it's just a fancy chicken nugget. Okay, well, let me tell you, if you want to really get technical, bone-in wings aren't either, because it's not buffalo meat. It is chicken. So, however you want to call it, I don't care. And they gave me the wrong Dagmar sauce. Can't they get anything right? I have to deal with this. Oh well, it doesn't matter. I told her different, but it doesn't matter, because I'm just reviewing their wings. And everybody knows that I don't eat hot, spicy things, but I'm gonna. Try this. I don't think buffalo wings are supposed to look like that. That looks like maybe I don't know. But we'll see. I've tried Buffalo's wings and rings, and Buffalo. Theirs is okay. What is wrong with this? Wow, okay. So, can't really tell at this point. I think I pretty much demolished it. It doesn't really look like a buffalo wing at all. But anyway, here goes. I think they gave me the wrong heat intensity. I told them mild. That's pretty warm. It's really good. I think the coating on it is really good. In my opinion, I think when it comes to the buffalo wings, as far as boneless ones go, I think that the breading that they put on it is very important. Because like I said, I've tried buffalo wings and rings, and I've tried Hooters, and I think it really, because all the buffalo sauce tastes pretty much the same, and I think it all comes down to the breading and the coating that they put on the chicken, in my opinion. And I have to honestly say that the breading on this is probably the best I've had so far. As it comes, but I don't eat a lot of wings because, like I said, I'm not big into spicy. But I would definitely recommend trying this one. And like I said, it's Mavericks Firewater Grill in Greendale, Indiana. So yeah, I mean, if you want some really good wings, I'd say give it a try. Even though they did get my dipping sauce wrong, but it is what it is. Alright, so that's my video for today, and I will see you all in a couple days. Bye.